So I start off this video by saying this is not to flex or show off. I'm just going to get into a room tour for 2024 as I thought it would be pretty interesting because not a lot of things have changed in the room, but I did add some new decor, and what I mean by the room hasn't changed, like the layout hasn't moved around and stuff like that. It's going to be a voiceover, so without further ado, let's get started. So the nightstands first. Here's a little clip of me and my Apple Watch dock. It's pretty simple. I keep my nightstand pretty clean. I have my iPhone charger, a plant, and a Google Home hub there. That's basically just to check for the time, and there's the watch. Not charging apparently. And then next up, here's a little overview. It's a pretty small stand, and these light bars are the Govee Glide light bars. They change color, they're able to be controlled by music, and overall they're pretty slim and add some nice accent lighting to the overall space. You can see they're on both sides of the window. And next up is my desk. So my desk is a pretty small standing desk, but as you can see, I have quite a lot of stuff there, and of course quite a lot of cables. It's one that does go up and down, as you can see. And I added these little drawers, and they're able to house like remotes, and they're pretty slim and low profile. As you can see, I have a lot of remotes. I also have a larger one on the other side of my desk for notepads, stationery, and stuff I really want out of sight. The chair I have is this steel case Leap. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, but also really comfortable. It has pretty good armrests and some good back padding, but nothing really special. My desk doesn't normally look all this clean, but I just have all this stuff out to show you how it would normally look if it was clean. I use the Apple Magic Mouse 2nd generation, and also the Logitech G305. My keyboard is the Apple Magic Keyboard 2. Pretty clicky, but it's not really the best. I do have some pens, stationery, and some Lego Rose. And over here, I just have my desk and some speakers by Creative. And I'm just demonstrating this little cable organizer. I like using post-it notes. My screen is the Apple Thunderbolt display. Pretty nice, but not really great for gaming. I have a calendar above me. And the MacBook I use is the MacBook Air M1. This has 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and in space gray, and as you can see, pretty well worn. I do have a lot of messy cables and my speaker controller, and I just have a wallet and a cup coaster. The desk pad is from Amazon. It's this felt, kind of weird random material. Here's my TV. I have a clock, big old 46-inch 1080p TV, a little Lego bonsai tree, boombox, my pegboard, and there's some LED lights behind. That pegboard clip wasn't supposed to be in there, but I guess I just showed you. It does change colors, and the clock above it has a wire running down it. I use an Apple TV 4K, even though the TV is not 4K. My pegboard, here's me grabbing some cables. It's really readily available for me. And I have a little accent light. It's able to change colors, like most of the lighting in this room. I have some markers, some battery chargers for batteries, power strip, and a mess of cables. I also have these little organizers to keep stuff in there, and here's a little star projector above it. Here's the overview. Other areas. It's right by my room. I have a little iconic IKEA plant. And here's a little shelf. I have some trinkets and knickknacks. And my camera gear cart. I like Star Wars. More Lego roses. These LED lights from the 99-cent store. And a Walkman. I have a little picture frame with all my pictures that I took. Some awards and stuff. And a lot of posters. Here's my gear cart. Pretty simple. And here's the final overview. As you can see, all the lighting's on. Nice clock. And I really like having pictures. So that's all I have for you. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.